CEO of Ridecell. We built a platform that allows the fastest growing car sharing and ride sharing companies in the world to accelerate on the path to profitability. So if you've been following the IPOs and all of the success that some of these leaders have had, it's amazing to see more and more people adopt shared mobility, but profitability remains a challenge, right? So one of the reasons we are able to do a good job here is we started the company in 2009 and actually ran a ride-sharing service of results. We were actually the first company to get a permit from California. We have used our own experience in this business and scaled up. We now have operations in 4 countries across 3 continents, and we work with a large number of customers. So here's the graph that almost all of our customers are focused on, right? Essentially, the number of miles driven by shared mobility vehicles is expected to become, more than a third of the total miles driven in these markets. And today, that share is very, very small, significantly less than 10%. Right? Now, as these companies grow, they scale to become a more important part of our lives and our cities. It's actually a pretty huge challenge that launching these businesses or running them, as hard as it is actually easier than the problem of making them profitable, right? If a third of our transportation is going to depend on one kind of business, then it's pretty important, for the entire ecosystem that these businesses can make a profit, right? Because it has knock-on effects, not just on their investors, but on all of the stakeholders, right? From the people that make the cars to the drivers. So how do you solve this challenge? And this is sort of what Ridecell is focused on, right? Our primary focus is how can we increase the utilization of these services? How can we help them decrease the cost so that they can get to profitability faster? So how do we do this? At the core, we have the ability to sort of connect 3 different areas that have seemed to be very separate areas in mobility, but they affect each other. At one end is ride sharing, very fast growth, primarily focused on drivers, some will drive to. At the other end is car sharing, folks like Ego here, or Reach Now, or Car2Go, in the United States and Europe. You drive yourself, you pick up a car anywhere, drop it off anywhere, right? Or a scooter or a bicycle. And really at the heart of all of this is operations, right? How do you run the business? How do you manage risk, operations, fueling, maintenance of these vehicles in a way where you can run both sides of the business profitably? And ultimately, the world really needs to look like sort of a place where we have a fleet of these vehicles available as a service. And instead of having each driver for Uber or Lyft have one car, right? And if you think about it, it's sort of amazing, right? Today, the largest ride-sharing companies have grown to have millions of drivers. But if you look at the actual utilization of their vehicles, it's actually worse than a taxi company. Now, a taxi company rents every car to at least 2 drivers in a day. A vast majority of ride-sharing vehicles are used by one driver. So how can we get from there to a place where a single day a vehicle can be used for deliveries in the morning, for by individual people maybe driving the vehicle themselves to go to work. In the afternoon, the folks can take it for appointments. In the late afternoon, grocery deliveries. In the evening, maybe you take ride sharing. It's a Friday, you're driven home. And really, all of the use cases are supported by a single fleet of vehicles, right? Operated so that you get the economies of scale. Now, this sounds like a really neat idea, and to be sure, we actually have customers doing 10, 15, 20 rentals per day per car. But the challenge is how do you scale it up? And we do it by, actually increasing utilization. So these are the customers we work with today.